Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGM Classic Cars here in Addison, Illinois. Here's our new remodeled showroom. It's almost finished, not yet. We keep adding things daily. But here we have the 1970 Oldsmobile 442 car. It's optioned with the W30 package, you guys can see there, okay? 455 motor. The M22, the heavy-duty suspension, the hood, the axle cover, the power steering, the Flowmasters, blah, 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 blah. As it continues, you can see all the information on the website. Okay, there you have it, guys. I will fire up the car. I want you guys to hear it. 4-speed manual transmission. Paint is gorgeous. Look at this. Just like a piece of artwork. You can actually stare at this car all day long. Finished in beautiful white, guys. Awesome paint job throughout the car. Beautiful trunk, spare tire, jack assembly, nice chrome. Body is straight, glass is good, trim is nice. Interior is superb, buckets, console, Hurst 4-speed gauges, seat belts, tight headliner, door panels. Everything is really, really nice underneath as well. I'm going to fire it up real quick. We got power steering, power brakes, like I mentioned. Headers added. Look at this. Man, thing's nice. Look how nice this interior is. Lenses are like brand new, super crisp lenses, upgraded radio, console. Horn just doesn't work, so I'm going to go through the car and tell you guys everything about it. So horn is inoperable. Wipers do work. Lights do function. Got your turn signals. Radio works. Heat and defrost function. Man, this thing sounds nice. Snap, crackle, pop, people. Love it. Now that's clean. That's how a door is supposed to close, guys. You know that. Look at the crevices, how beautiful and clean it is. Aluminum radiator. Ready for a new home. Even my dome light works. Listen how this closes. MGM Classic Cars is located at 150 South Church Street, Addison, Illinois, 60101. If you guys are looking for a hot rod, if you're looking for Pontiacs, Chevys, Mopars, Grand Nationals, Turbo Trans Ams, Impalas, Super Bs, Chevelles, trucks, we have it all, guys. We have over 35,000 indoor square feet showroom spread through 2 buildings. We offer financing with 10% down and delivery right to your doorstep. Call or text me if you're interested. 847-848-1850. Thanks for watching. This is Thomas at MGM Classics.